Come on. Hey. Come on. Hey. Forward. Hey. Hey, come on. Hey.
Bhaiya, what are you doing? You disturb me every day in the morning. Please let me sleep.
Let me sleep. Look at the Maharaja. It's 9 a.m. in the morning. He's just getting up and asking me to let me sleep. You know what I'm doing? I'm exercising, practicing.
But it's okay, but why do you do it?
I do it. I tell you why do I do it? I just do it to make my hands strong. This. I do it to make my legs strong. Yeah, come on. I do it. I do it to make myself, because it keeps me fit. It gives me strength.
Okay,
It gives me energy.
Okay, I see. Very good. Can anyone learn? May I please?
Of course. Anybody can learn this, Chote. Anybody can learn. And this is the best thing for self-defense.
Can you teach me?
Of course. Let's come. Hey. Viewers, please don't do like this. It might cause you injury when you hit like this. You get it now? Don't worry. I'll teach you how to do this. I'll teach you, okay? Don't worry. Step by step, you just have to follow me. Alright? Are you ready now? Alright. Okay. Now, so what you have to do is, viewers, first, see, 2 hands, right. When I say to make a punch, we make like this. This is wrong. You put your thumb inside. Wrong. Again like this. Again this is wrong. This, and put your thumb like this. Now this is a punch. I have put it because I have a lot of pain here. Right, this is right. Now do warm up first. You can do skipping also. This is best. Skipping with rope. Right? And then once you do it, do warm up. Before you hit here, do warm up. Do warm up. Backward. Now this. Alright. Keep doing it. Now like this. Okay. Now you have to make like this in action position. Yeah, right? And you will hit it slowly. Stand there and watch me first. You will hit slowly. अगर आपके पास ये नहीं हो तो आप सैंड यानी रेत और बालू जिसे आप कहते हैं बोरी में डाल के put into a sack और उसको hang कर दीजिए, फिर practice कीजिए. But first you do warm up and don't hit hard like this in the starting. You get it now? By watching, kind of videos, movies there on social media. So what you have to do is, you should put your hands like this, yeah, and do like this. Slowly in the start first. Walk. Hold. This is not being used in fight. ये fight में use नहीं होता. But it gives you strength in the starting. My martial art trainer Tapash Haldar told me to do this first. You get it now? So you have to, लेकिन punching तो डायरेक्ट स्टार्ट करते हैं, बट इससे आपको क्या मिलेगा? स्ट्रेंथ. स्टैंड देयर दैट साइड एंड हिट लाइक दिस. Come on. Slowly. Not hard. In the starting, not hard. Slowly. Yeah, come on. Slowly. So you have to do this for a month like this. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Like this you will do it for a month. So every day, 3 times. You will do it 3 times. Like first 20, 20 and 20. 1, 2, 3. You get it? and 20 times. 3. Yeah, repetition of 3.
Okay.
Okay, so first you do this, then for your legs. You also have to do warm up for your legs because you have been skipping in the starting. You do it and then slowly you will hit like this. Wow, come on, hit. Very nice, not hard. Come on, in the starting slowly. Very nice. Like this, slowly. Only 5 times. Come on. Come on. 5 times. Very nice. Huh. Yeah, come on. Good, good, good. Put it like this. With left. 5 times only. Very nice. Place it here. Very nice. Very nice. 2, 3. Like this 5 times. Okay. Now this one. This one. With the legs. Come on. Wow. 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 Now hold it. Hold it. In this start. Hold this bag. Yeah. Yeah. Hold it. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. With left now. Hit this. Hit this. Hit this. Hit it hard. Oh wow. Come on. Wow. Come on. Oh wow. Come on. Oh wow. Come on. Very nice. So, you get it now?
Yes.
And if you practice like this, in the starting, not like very hard, keep it slow, slow. First you will do warm up.
Okay.
Warm up.
Okay.
Warm up.
Yeah.
You get it? And then slowly repeat it. Like this. Or it gives you fit. Yeah? I hope you will do it. Right? Thank you very much viewers for watching this till end. ये मैं expert नहीं हूँ, I'm practicing. और because I have taken training for 2 months of martial art, तो मैं ये practice कर रहा हूँ ताकि ये मेरे जो हाथ है, पैर है, ये मजबूत हो. Not to fight anybody, just to keep myself fit and fine. अपने आप को fit रखने के लिए, क्योंकि इसमें हमारा पूरा बॉडी एक्सरसाइज होता है. 1 मिनट तक आप लगातार इस पे पंच करेंगे ना तो थक जाएंगे. इसलिए शुरुआत में आराम से get it ना, ताकि ये बेंड ना हो, इसमें इंजरी ना हो. And now your practice, hands, legs, सब कुछ का एक्सरसाइज करवा देगा. कार्डियो लाइक जॉगिंग, रनिंग, you know, पुश अप, पुल अप, ये तमाम चीजें आप करते रहेंगे. योगा इज ग्रेट लाइक फादर ऑफ एवरीथिंग. तो आप करते रहें. damn sure you must learn something from this video and English and exercise. I hope. Thank you very much. What you have to do. Stay happy and be the best. Jai Hind.
Jai Bharat.
And get up early in the morning.